Hello friends and hello student. My name is Shukshi Chala. In this session, we learn the progress bar in Android. So let us start. First, I share my laptop screen and fix the position here so you can watch better my video lecture. And here, edit Eclipse bundle that I already opened. And first, we have to launch our device. So go in Window menu and Android Virtual Device Manager, and then I select my AVD, that is start button, and launch. So whenever we can take design and coding, so our device is ready. So that is our goal. So yes, here I take as a minimize and close this window. And now in file menu, we have to take new Android application project. So that is progress bar. So PG. Yes, PG bar, progress bar. That is our goal underscore demo. So PG progress bar demo. So next, just here that is our default workspace folder that proper. So I cannot change anything here. That is default logo and then background color. So no change. Blank activity that perfect selected. And next, so here main activity, that is our Java file, and activity underscore main, that is XML base our layout file. So that is finish. So take some process and then our create the application. Yes, and so let us take I full screen and hello world, that is a text view you have to know in. So I select and delete, and now we have to take. So here you can look. So here first we can use as horizontal, that progress bar. So that is perfectly, but that size is very small. Yes. So what to do? So go in XML file, and here that is a wrap content of week that we have to match parent. Yes, here there are three: field parent, match parent, and wrap content. So match parent. So now we can save and let us check. So you can look here now that we can take size. So yes, that perfectly. So yes, any we have to directly. So yes, here there is a first we can change that ID. So that is a PG, okay, or PB progress bar. Only short two word PB progress bar. And now let us take so Android colon. So yes, here that is a background color we have to change. So I give like a red color. Yes, and let us, so that is a red color. Yes, and now what to do? So here in coding part you can look here, but that is a first. Yes, I cannot define color. After that we have to provide. So first normally we can gray. So is for better. So that is a movement. Yes, so first we can give the static value. So yes, I just take as a progress bar. Yes, there is no any uh, only one control progress bar, and go in the coding file. So src and our package and main activity.java file, and here on create. Yes, I just first select that ID from r.java file. So here we can take as progress. So that is a progress bar. Yes, so here you can look, that is a progress bar. So yes, PB, that is already we have to give in XML file. So here we can say that yes, that is a PB1. Yes, that one we have to define, and that ID we have to take PB1 dot find view by ID. So that is a r dot java file. So PB, yes, that is a, and one we have to assign. So that is a our r.java file, and type casting is required because find view by id is a method of activity class, and return is a that view class, that parent class. So type casting is required. And now only we can, yes, first I give the static idea. So that pb1 dot set progress, yes, that is a method you can look here, and I directly pass like 75. value, so 100 value. So yes, I can save, and let us, yes, our device is ready. So yes, ready, no problem. So we can run for static. So yes, here I click and run, right click. So let us check and wait and run as Android application project. So we have to take as a static. So that we have to pause static where, let us check. So our application is running in status bar, you can look, and now take some process. So here is very simple, first in static, then after we can take as a dynamically movement. So here we can in palette window take as a horizontal progress bar, and that just in XML file we can change the with match parent, and after go in Java file and we can take one reference and find view by id r.id of our XML file, and then set progress, that is a method, and pass the integer up to 100, so 1 to 100. So yes, you can look, that is output. So here is the filling, yes, and that is up to 75%. So that is a static, but how to move we can dynamic. So yes, next we have to take dynamic part. So let us take some variable. So here I take integer value, that is a p v progress bar value, so assign to 0, that is we have to take, and handler, yes, handler. So that is a require memory allocation, but first we can take, that is a yes, that is name handler, and let us ph, that assign memory allocation. Yes, I think that need the package. Yes, that import, so android.os and java.utility logging, yes, android.os. So that is removed, and now yes, we have to take one text control. So yes, I go in design part, and in the graphics layout we have to take one large, yes, text view. So that is we can give the message. So that id I can take also from r.java, but first we have to change in XML file that id. So here we can say that text view answer, and here that is a large text. So perfectly, and now I give some text size, so 20, yes, that is already large is there, so sp or dp, and android, that background color, yes, that is a, so we can provide like f0 so green color, or that is message, so we can take as a blue color. So that perfectly, and now what to do? So here that is in bold, so we can set text style, yes, here text style, and take as a bold. So that perfectly, and then text color, yes, so android colon text color, text size, text color. So yes, here, and that is s sign, and then 00ff00, so 6, that is hexadecimal. So and that is a RGB, so that is a green, yes. So I save, and now if you change that, yes, now here we can change progress bar, that is a we can say that direction is perfectly, but text alignment, or it is a background color, yes. So here we can provide now background color, and that is a red. So let us check, yes, or that is also green, but green we have to use here. So let us check as a green, yes, red is, so f now ready. So all are saved, that is a design part. Let us graphical that effect, you can look here, that is a text also, and then green both. So now what to do? So now we can take coding. So first, yes, I take as a text view that T1. Yes. So, and now what to do? So here now we cannot take as a static. I remove this and first taking ID from r.java of our text. So T1, yes, and find you by ID, same process, r.id.txt answer, semicolon, and typecasting is needed. Yes, and then we can take as a thread class. So nameless thread, yes. So thread and then parentheses, and again that is a nameless, that is a runnable method. You can look, that is a anonymous inner type of java.language. So that is a thread class we have to use. So you can look here that automatically so many. Yes, I take my screen to here. So you can look here. So what to do? So here you can provide as a yes, that is a start method is. So our thread is start. Yes. So first start stop. Yes. So I can start, yes, semicolon now after, and here we can provide coding. Yes. So we can take as a while loop, and then we can take, yes. So p v progress bar value less than or equal to 100. So that number of time we can take as a plus plus. So pv, that is a plus plus, and then android dot, that is I think os, yes, and then we can say that system, yes, that we have to take clock. So yes, I again android dot os package and then system, yes, that is a system, not appear android, that is perfectly, and os, yes, os, yes, now perfectly, and now that is a system clock we have to use. So that is a give our uh, sleep method. Yes, now that perfectly appear. So here I pass first 100. Yes, so in millisecond we have to pass, and then we can take as our handler, and that is a, we can take as a ph progress bar handler, and that is a post method, and that we can also take as a new nameless class, and that is a runnable anonymous inner type. So you can look here. So that is first, that run method is taking to move our progress bar go ahead and sleep, and then that handler is required. So in that handler what to do? So we can set, yes, that our progress bar value. So pb1 dot set progress. Yes, we have already taken static way, but now that taking in dynamic way. So what to do? So here we can pass as a PV progress bar value. And then here that is a colon is required. So all is well, but here, yes, set press, yes, that is a method here used. So you can look here, that is a set progress, not press. So here, yes, now progress. So now we can take PV, yes, so perfectly. And after that, all process is complete, and at start, and here we can take as a T1 dot set text. So we can say that here give message loading completely, yes, completely or completed, yes, dot. So that is a just we can print message in text view. So yes, I can save, and yes, I think perfectly all are well. So now we can run, yes, dynamically. So first we can take as static way. Now we can take as a dynamic way. So yes, that takes some time. So previous our static output is there, now that gone, and just taking here you can look now after that run. So directly that start thread and move to our progress bar as dynamically. So wait, as now that you can see here that filling, yes. and loading completely, yes, that directly give the message, but after that completely that our text view is visible. So let us take, yes, I think you have to here that is a but very slow speed, so we can take some millisecond is 100 to 50, so that moving fast. And yes, that background color is not means perfect, we have to look. So here we can change that progress bar means that background color. So red is not perfectly. So yes, that is a blue. Blue is so let us take that background color. Yes. So, or first I not remove this background color. Let us check as simple way. Yes. And first change, yes, and we can change coding. And yes, our second goal that is text, that text views directly appear. So we can set as Android and that is visibility that I by default is true. Now I can false. So we can set as a false. Yes. So visible false. So that is a not appear. But how that appears? So after our progress bar value is complete, and again I take one handler that is a ph progress bar post that is same and new and that is a runnable, yes, and then run we can take as TextView dot set visibility, yes, here, and that is view class, that is a parent, and that is a visibility, yes, here visible. So whenever our progress bar is complete, so that is display, yes, and here also semicolon. So two time we can use as a handler progress bar. So now I can save, and yes, there is any error. So let us check. Yes, so what is any error is there? So I can save, but that's still taking some error. So where is that error? So our XML file is remaining anything? Yes, here that is a false. So true, false. Yes, let us check. So that is giving any value? Yes, yes. Here that visible. Okay, no, true, false is not supported. So visible, invisible, and gone. So we can take invisible. Yes. So that is I can save. Yes, now there is no any error. So whenever that is a giving here red circle, so we can take that is our. So here not true false in Android. Yes, that is I ASP.NET I also take. So here invisible, visible, and gone. So that is a invisible first we have to take. So there is now no error. And first we have to launch our apps. So that is a not visible as a text view invisible. And after our progress bar is complete, so that is load completely. Yes, that is previous our output and wait. That is take some time. Here in status bar, that is a taking all our new uh, updated apps is running. Yes, now that yes you can, that is a so all that after, so yes, that perfectly moving, but our text box is visible still. So that is a yes, that is normal uh, change. So visible, yes, set visible, and first we cannot apply. So after that while loop, yes, we have to take after while loop. So yes, that is a better. So I think yes, not in taking in while loop because all value. So we can take after while loop. Yes. So that is only change is required. We have to take visible in after while loop. So while loop we have to take. Yes. Again, yes, I change now background color, progress bar, and here Android column is a background color, and we can take yes here as sign, and that is a let us take 0000FF. So that is a blue, I think. Let us check. So hexadecimal code is there. and that is also possibility 8 or some code digit we have to provide. So let us check first normal. Yes, I again run. So first is not our aim is loading means load completely, that is not display our, so you can learn new thing in Android. So yes, let us take, yes, our apps is running, and yes, so look now, yes, our text view is not appear after that complete. Yes, I taking while loop after. So look, yes, perfectly. So I think perfect our goal we have to achieve. So load completely whenever our progress bar is perfectly. So now I can revise, yes, what is I do in this app. So first we can take, yes, here there is a progress bar, and here there is no visible, that is a text view, so only two control is there. And we can change some property or that is a, we can say that layout. So progress bar background color we have to take, text view so many, that visible is invisible, so there is three property: visible, invisible, and gone. Background color, text size, text that by default. And then we can only two control, and then go in Java file, and here we can take is a progress bar pb1, progress bar pv value 0 handler, that is a must be, and text view. So first we can text view invisible, so that is an both value we to take from r.java file, and then we can use as a thread class, so nameless object thread and runnable method you have to know in Java. So while loop that is less than or equal to 100. So yes, first we can assign to 0. So that condition is true. And here we can plus plus. And Android.os that package system.clock and sleep method is there. So we can pass 50. So that is a millisecond. And again that handler, that is a increment value. And handler giving the move to ahead to our progress bar. So that runnable method, that we can set progress bar PV value. And after that while loop, we have to again take that post method of handler, and that is a nameless, that is a handler here, that parenthesis complete and semicolon. So here we can set visible view, that is a visible, so parent is class view, and then visible rights to that child control. So text view is a we have to say that view, that is a child control of view class. So that is a visible, so that control is visible. So I hope, yes, that perfectly. And after that we can start, yes, here that is a nesting start method. So our thread is start. And then one message text view is after that all that progress bar is complete. Then we have to, after while loop, this take handler. And after this all thread and all start method, we can set X of load completely. So it is a perfectly, yes, I run at last time, very interesting and very simple logic in this progress bar in Android. So let us check. Just run again. Wait some time, and also we can take as a back. Yes, and again, just directly we have to also take running here. So you can look here. That is a not our apps in this screen. So swap, yes, and then we can search. Yes, so our app's name is a progress bar. There's so many apps I can develop. So yes, that is a toggle button. All that is, yes, no, apps is there. So yes, I go in. Yes, here is not there. Yes, here is there. Yes, yes, yeah. PG bar demo. So I click. So you can look, that is a running. So yes, perfectly, and now that is appear. So very interesting and very uh, simple logic we have to develop this app. So yes, any doubt regarding progress bar in Android, so you can write in comment section. I give the definitely to answer you. And subscribe my channel Ashok Sijala Academy, press the bell icon to never miss any update. Thanks for your watching, supporting, and sharing my video lecture, and Hare Krishna.